This is a 2021 Dodge Ram 1500. I'm going to be changing the cabin air filter on it today. So to get the glove box out of this vehicle, the older vehicles you had to pull a tab in back in here. There's no tab on these. Basically what you want to do is want to grab both sides evenly, lift up towards the dashboard and back towards the seat, and the glove box pops off. And you'll see on the bottom here there's little tabs. So basically these little tabs will clip into these holes. You've also got a tether on the side here. This is just to keep it from falling off. You can take that off if you want to. I'm not going to, because I'm just going right here. Our cabin filter's up in here. So once you pull your glove box loose, you'll see a little box right here that says airflow on it. And you'll notice there's a little clip on the left and right hand side. So once you get that out of the way, there's a clip right here and there's one on the other side. What you need to do is you need to push in on them and pull back, and this cover will come off. I might not be able to do it with the camera in the way. So the cover comes off, and then your air filter comes out. Now this vehicle's only got about 12,000 miles on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and change it anyhow. As you can see down in there, there's a bunch of dirt and grime. You could probably blow that out or knock it out. But they're $17 a piece for the air filters. I just went ahead and bought a new one. And you'll notice on here it says airflow. Same on the door. Make sure your air filter is pointing the right direction. So I'm putting in a PHILTOP cabin air filter. You can use a paper one like came out of there from the factory. This is the charcoal based one. Helps remove odors supposedly. Not sure what it does or not, but it can't hurt anything. So when I pop this back in again, I'm going to look on the front. It's going to say airflow. I'm going to put it in the way that says airflow, and I'm going to just pop that cover back on. So, air filter in. Airflow pointing the correct direction. Like so. And again, I've got my cover, airflow pointing downward. And this, again, is much easier if you can get right in front of the glove box, but I can't get in front of the glove box and put the cover on and not be in front of the camera, so if I can do it left-handed and backwards, you should be able to do it pretty easily. Now, I don't think I can get a good enough angle on here to actually show you what I'm doing. You'll just have to align these up, but again, you want to line those hooks right here on the bottom here. So these teeth hook in behind this clip, and the clip on the other side hook in that other groove. Take your time. You can reach underneath of it. You can kind of feel where they're in place or not.